Trees are vital to life on Earth. They absorb around a third of all carbon dioxide, or CO2, which is emitted annually. But according to the United Nations, an estimated 28,000 square miles of forest are lost every year. That's the equivalent of 36 football pitches every minute. And Brazil, where vast areas of the Amazon rainforest have been cut down, is among the countries now backing this new pledge. In recent years, the problem has been getting much worse. Over 4,000 square miles of Brazilian rainforest were destroyed in just 12 months. Our correspondent Orla Guerin has travelled to Brazil to see at first hand the threat to one of the world's great ecological treasures.
The Amazon dream. A forest haven combating climate change. But the reality can look like this. No more tree canopy, the land stripped bare for planting crops. We were shown how easy it is to plunder the Amazon. Just one man and a chainsaw. Campaigners say illegal loggers have a green light from President Jair Bolsonaro. They accuse him of carving up environmental protections and fueling climate change. Miguel isn't worried about the planet, he's worried about his family.
É pela minha sobrevivência, entendeu? Pela minha sobrevivência da minha mãe, entendeu? Que eu tenho minha família também, entendeu? Apesar de não ser casado, mas eu dependo disso.
His handiwork seen from above. Every tree that falls here releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. By night, specialist police are on the lookout for crimes against the forest. Illegal logging is big business. There's a rainforest mafia. The timber can wind up in Europe or the US. This load is legal, but Sergeant Robertson Inocenzio de Souza says he's fighting a losing battle.
O crime é contínuo, né? A gente somos 8 no total em 2 viaturas para uma imensidão de florestas. Então, a nossa dificuldade continua aí e como eu falei anteriormente, né?
And about an hour's drive away, ritual destruction. Every year, vast areas are cleared by slashing and burning. The heat is building now and there's ash falling in the air. No attempt has been made to hide this. It's at the side of a busy road. And when fires like this happen here, it's not the work of nature, it's the work of man. In the global fight against climate change, this is one more loss. And here too, lost ground. More Wild West than wild Amazon. Cattle farming is driven by global demand for Brazilian beef and backed by President Bolsonaro. Renato Ramos is a second-generation rancher. He says the forest is a living, not a fairy tale.
Para nós que somos hoje, que vivem da pecuária, somos agricultores hoje, né, ninguém planta no asfalto e muito menos no ar, né? A gente precisa adquirir uma área que seja pequena ou grande para poder fazer um plantio ou então uma criação agropecuária, entendeu? A Amazônia não é só mata, e sim é uma área que está em desenvolvimento para culturas e criação de novos investimentos.
But we got a very different perspective from activist Neginha Bandeira. She's spent her life defending the rainforest and its indigenous peoples, or trying to.
É que a sensação é como se tu fosse Dom Quixote e lutando contra moinhos de vento, sabe? É como se alguma coisa significativa para a Amazônia só pode acontecer se os grandes empresários, se os grandes produtores, se eles tiverem uma sanção por desmatamento. Quando o povo disser, eu não compro nada resultado de desmatamento, Aí pode ter uma mudança.
This rich but fragile ecosystem is changing its colours. Deforestation means the rainforest in Brazil now emits more carbon than it stores. The message from here is a distress signal. Orla Guerin, BBC News, in the Amazon rainforest.